Hey y'all, it's Lisa with Hobby Time, ready for another video. It's gonna be awesome, and it was requested by one of my subscribers. So hope you enjoy it. I've never done these, so it's gonna be really interesting. Alright, let's get into it. Check it out. So we got puppycorn. Sounds like a dessert. Anyway, Rainbocorns, 7 new puppycorns. This is apparently series 3. They have different color ones. They had pink, purple, silver, whatever, and I guess you can get different ones. This one I only found in gold and silver. This is a Kittycorn. Surprise, peel, reveal, magic heart. Different 10 surprises inside. I don't know. Glowing eyes. Sounds kind of creepy to me, but maybe. I don't know. It seems interesting. But when I had done a mini brands, we had gotten a little one, and I had a couple other ones, but apparently I hadn't done a puppy one, and somebody said, hey, those would be fun to see, so I went ahead and got one or two. So let's open this puppy one. I picked these up. Aww. I picked these up at Walmart. I just wanted to see what they were. I've never done them. If you've done them, tell me in the comments, you know, what you like about them, which one's your favorite. I know there's like a bunch of different kinds. There's like eggs and like unicorns, and I don't know. There's a bunch of different ones out there. And I just grabbed these two. You know, these never are nice to me. Struggle is real every time, guys. Every time. I'm gonna get one of those like gift wrap rippers and do it. I think it would rip so much nicer for me if I just had one that would rip nice. Okay, so it's like a little egg. It has little, you can't tell very much on here, hearts and question marks. Ready? Oh, not a satisfying pop, but a pop. Oh, okay. So we have some stickers of all these little different puppies and bows. And we got this purple puppy. Aww. Very soft, got a very fluffy tail. I love this tail. Ooh, that's rough and glittery. Oh, squishy kind of horn. Very hard nose. So this is a peel reveal sticker. We'll get that in a second. Okay, so we have this egg thing. Oh no, guys. I think magic color poop. Oh, that sounds lovely. And it feels cold and squishy. This is slime. I believe this is slime. Why did they have to add slime? Why did they think kids want slime? Collector's guide, okay. I wonder if there's like rares in here? Okay. Okay, Rainbocorn puppies. So the inside the egg, I guess, is a little pencil topper. Yep. The poop. It's slime. Stickers. 42 Rainbocorn puppies to collect. So those little... We'll see which one we get. Looks like there's a gold one. Okay, so there's common ones. Oh. Just kidding. It's the kind of dog that is. Labrador, the Dalmatians, Poodles, and the Chihuahuas. The dogs you can get. I don't think there's any rares. Oh, okay, I lie. Super rare is this one. And it reveals this bow. Okay. We got... I don't even see ours on here. Well, ours is down here. But... I don't even see her on here. So who is she? She's not... Well, thanks for that. Okay, let's see what this is. Okay, a little house. Seriously, guys, I don't know who this is. Oh, I guess it's Rufus? It's supposed to be Rufus. Okay, we get this one. But that one doesn't even look like this, because it's like silver. I guess it's blue. Is that supposed to be blue? In person, this looks more silvery. On the camera, it looks blue. A little bamboozly. But anyway, I guess we got Rufus. She's cute. Like a super heckin' squirrel tail. But it's cute. Okay. Let's see what, Sticker! Get off me. Let's see what Boo-Boo-Corn thing we got. It's kind of one... I didn't know which one I wanted because I didn't see the list before. But looking at it, I think I would want this one. I mean, obviously the rare would have been cool, but I like the black and white one. If you guys had these, which ones do you have and or like the best? Why do they gotta do this? Why me? Really? Despise these things. Just open. It's not hard, just open. Just give me my thing. I haven't saved a nail and everything, which is something for me because I don't even like having nails. You can see the bottom, kinda. Some blue in there. They all have something blue in them though. Okay, we're just gonna break this egg. Just gonna do it. We got this guy. It's kind of squeezy. When you stick it on your pencil. So we got the poodle. Cute. So we got some stickers, the poodle, and the dreaded poo. I guess you stick this egg in the bottom here. Just kind of has a holder for it. I don't know. Maybe I'll stick the slime in there. I don't really want to touch this poo. It's color changing, I'm guessing because of the heat of your hand. Oh, it's so... Ew. Ew. Golden poo. Well, someone has some royal poop going on with this. Oh, good. Blech. Oh, gross, guys. and it's cold, it's wet. Oh, I'm sure kids love this crud. I don't see how it's color changing. How is this color changing? Stinks. Do you see a color changing? I don't. I just see that it is gold. It's shimmery, stretchy, like leaves glitter on your hand. A little bit. The heat from my hand isn't changing any color. It's not color changing, just magic color poop. Okay, so they've made me handle this stuff thinking it's going to color change, and it's not. So now I've just played with this nasty stuff. Like, I guess it's not as gross once you get it going, because then it kind of like self-sticks to itself, but like, what's the point of this? I don't understand. So, they should add scent to this. It kind of almost smells like they tried to, like cinnamon. It almost smells like a cinnamony poop. But I'm gonna put this poo in this egg. But I'm pretty sure that's not where it goes, because if you were to move the egg, there's a hole in the bottom. And it's too much for the egg anyway. Okay, we're gonna set that over there. Yeah, there's glitter. Oh, glitter is everywhere from this guy. Like this is cute. This is cute. We like this guy. Okay. So, kind of knowing what we're expecting now. Let this kitty is goo. All right. Let's see what we get. To me, that doesn't look like a puppy either. That kind of looks like a kitty. And it doesn't look like a Rufus, because it looks like a girl. These are fun. The stickers are fun. Enjoy the stickers. The little pencil things would be fun for like a... Uh-oh. In the process of taking this off, I've kind of popped it open a little bit. Okay. Oh, super cute! Super cute. Oh my gosh, I like this one a lot. Again, with the kind of hard, scratchy, glittery wings. Soft, like a leopard pink one. I like this one a lot. And still, hard nose. And the white parts of the eyes will glow. Magic Kitty Litter Compound. So it's like kitty litter surprise. Some more goo poo. It comes with a list. All right. Okay, so this kitty's the rare one. We didn't get that. We got Dixie. And then there's all the boo-boo corns to get. That. Oh, that's how they look when they glow, I guess. Kinda scary. Okay. Here's some stickers. Fun. Oh, look, she's so cute. But see how, I don't know, they don't really look too terribly different. Looks like a fluffy kitty and a kitty. But it's supposed to be a dog. Here, I'll take off her mystery sticker. Okay, well that didn't come off nicely, did it? So it's like a unicorn milk? I don't know, because it's a cat milk. The egg on the bottom for your boobicorn. And we get, oh, how cute. Okay, so we got this Siamese, the Siamese one. It's cute. I like this. It's kind of rubbery. It's cute, cute, cute. I like this one a lot. Because a lot of these kind of look the same. This one looks sad, whatever. Exotic short hair, calico. Oh, I could have gotten that rare one though. That's okay. We got this one. It's cute. I like that. That's adorable. And of course, the goo. Ugh. Shimmery pink kitty litter. Can y'all see that? Ah! It's so cold and wet and... Ugh. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh. Boy. Things I do for you guys, I swear. Maybe that's why the person suggested me opening this, is because they know I don't like the slime and there was slime in here. This is more of a shimmery pink. Ugh. Okay. Get off my fingers. Fun. See, like, this one is oozing over the side. It is not okay. Like, there's nowhere to keep this. The eggs don't really hold it all. Wish they would. So you can just close it, but it's like... because there's a hole. So I just stick it in there. Maybe that's what I should do with this one. That was a fun, pretty color. Like, it's a very pretty color, but it's just kind of everywhere. Oh gosh, just squish in there. And then you have to quickly smush it into the bottom of that thing so it doesn't come out. And hold it in there. But there you go. What do you guys think? They're fun. I enjoyed them. Cute little kitties and puppies, I suppose. If you don't like glitter, don't get them, because you will have glitter. Alright. Should I get more? Let me know in the comments. Let me know what other type of these things there are if you want to get more of them. Ugh. Goo. Alright. Subscribe, like, and comment. Talk to you later. Bye.